What's going on, guys? I know it's been a while since I last posted a video of my 2024 M1000, but I looked at the comments on my last video. I really do appreciate you guys commenting and giving so much love to the bike. I didn't really expect the video to go blow up like that either. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to give you guys some exhaust sounds, because I think that's one of my most requested thing on there. And yeah, so let's get to it. I'll give you guys some revs too. Hope you guys enjoyed that little glimpse. I think what I'm going to start doing is maybe do some more moto vlogs. I don't know if I should start doing that. I do have a DJI action camera that I just got, so I might just start doing that, do some riding content. We'll see, but it's just for fun though. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will catch you guys next time.